What's up, guys? So today is it's a good day. The weather is good, and I think it's not gonna rain. I've done with my stretchings. So guys, I talked to the coach, and he said that I'll be doing a jumping rope for 5 minutes, just one set. That's my warm-up today, and I'll be back for 5 minutes. See ya.
Broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the dark.
So I'm done with the jumping rope. I'll be doing the chest workout today. So guys, I'll be doing the incline bench press for about 15 repetitions and 4 sets, and rest about 45 seconds to 1 minute. So guys, this will be my last set of this incline bench press.
Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration.
So guys, I'll be doing the dumbbells now. So guys, it's still the same. 4 sets of 15 repetitions. 45 seconds to 1 minute rest. And I'll be doing a series of dumbbell workouts. After I finished those workouts I did when I push up, I barely have the strength to pull myself up. Whew.